Today I thought I would show you guys how I would order a wig from Hairvivi. If you guys have fair skin like me, this is what you're gonna wanna do. This is how I order myself. This is exactly like the steps that I take. So what I like to do is I'll go up to the 3 lines up at the top. I'll go to shop all, and then I'm gonna go over to shop by type, and I'll go to honey lace wigs. This one here, this wig just seems so fall to me. She looks gorgeous. Okay, so then we get to the other picture. So this is where it shows you exactly what color you would need for a fake scalp. You can see the honey is all like for fair skin, then cappuccino is for darker complexion. So what we're gonna do is now we have to decide. There's only 2 options that you can choose from, and it's basically cap size. You wanna figure out what your size is, you're gonna click the size guide. But what we're going to do is we are going to add this to cart now, and we are going to check out. So right now what we're going to do is we are going to order this. I don't wanna show you like the exact process.
I'm growing every day, everything's gonna be okay. As long as I got my shit together, they gon' see me do.
Here we are. So now we're at the end. Let's click it and oh my gosh, okay.